Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are just joining this channel, you're welcome. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to crochet a round bag. So before I start, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do that, and also like and share this video. I'll be using a purple paracord and a hook size 6.0 mm for this tutorial. So let's dive in. You will need two circles. How to make a circle, I will leave a link in my description, so go ahead and click on the link. So guys, this is the front part and that's the back part. We're going to join the circle together this way. The back part should face each other. So start with a knot. Then take one circle. We're going to join the knot this way. We're going to start from the front circle, insert your hook, then pull it out just this way and chain one. After that, we are going to make 13 chains. So go ahead and make 13 chains. So when done, take the other circle, insert your hook from the back, grab the yarn and pull it out. So next we are going to do a slip stitch. So that's how to make a slip stitch. So arrange your work to begin a new row. So whenever you do a slip stitch, make sure you turn your work this way to the direction of the new round you want to make. So now we're going to chain one. So for this row, this is how we're going to do it. 3 slip stitches in each stitch. So what I mean is we are going to do one slip stitch in one stitch, one slip stitch in the next stitch, and one slip stitch in the third stitch. So we're going to be working from this bump. You can see all these parts, I call it a bump. So we're going to insert our hook through that bump there. Grab your yarn and pull it out. So that's the slip stitch. So do the second one. We have done one. So insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull it up and pull it out. Insert your hook again, grab the yarn out and pull it out. So we have done 3 slip stitches. So we are still working inside the bump. So in the next 6 bumps, we are going to do 6 single crochets in it. So this is the first single crochet, second single crochet, third single crochet. So we are going to do 6 like I said. I've done 3. So here we have the fourth one. I've done 6 single crochets now. So we're going to do 3 slip stitch again. So this is the first slip stitch, the second slip stitch, and the last one. You should have 3 slip stitch at the end. So this is the last one, 3 slip stitch. So the pattern for this is 3 slip stitch at the beginning, 6 single crochet in the middle, and the last part 3 slip stitches again. So go ahead and insert your hook from the front and grab the yarn out. Then do a slip stitch. Arrange your work and chain one. So we're going to repeat the same pattern, but the only difference is that we'll be working from the back loop. That's the back loop. So we'll insert our hook from the back loop, just like this, and do 3 slip stitches again. So this is the first one. So go ahead and do 2 more. So after that, do your single crochet. So you have to do 6 single crochets from the back loop also. So the first single crochet, second single crochet. So go ahead and make it 6. So this is the third single crochet. So you have to do 3 slip stitches in here. So this is the first one, second, and the third one. So you should grab the pattern by now. 3 slip stitch for the first one, 6 single crochet and 3 slip stitch. So now we are going to insert our hook from the back and grab the yarn out. Do a slip stitch. You're going to chain 1 to begin round 3. So the same pattern from the back loop, 3 slip stitches in each stitch. The next stitches, you're going to do 6 single crochets in each of them. So in the last 3 stitches, you're going to do 3 slip stitches in each of the stitch. So go ahead and make a slip stitch by inserting your hook from the front into the down loop, then grab your yarn and pull it out. So make a slip stitch to begin a new round. So always remember to chain 1 before you start your new round. So chain 1. So guys, you're going to repeat the same pattern. All you have to do from the back loop, you insert your hook and do 3 slip stitches first in each stitch. Towards the middle you do 6 single crochets, and the last part you do 3 slip stitches in it. So you go ahead and continue with the same pattern. I've done 2, so I will join you when I have 5 rounds. So I've done 5 rounds. Like I said, this is how to count it. So you go ahead and continue the same pattern. So let me show you how to do it again. So you do a slip stitch, then chain 1. So we'll be working from the back loop. You're going to do 3 slip stitch. So here I have my second and the third. So So I've done 3 slip stitches, so go ahead and do 6 single crochets in it also. And here I'm going to do 3 slip stitch again. So I just want to show you how to do it. So you insert your hook from the back, grab the yarn out again and do a slip stitch. So chain 1, that's for the new round you're going to do again. So you go ahead and complete yours. We need a total of 21 rounds. So I will join you later with my 21 rounds. So I've done 21 rounds. Our bag is almost ready. This is how the inside look. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So we have done 21 rounds. So we are going to work slip stitches round the edges. So insert your hook under these 2 loops, grab your yarn, pull it out and do a slip stitch. So just like that. So under the 2 loops also, look at it very well so you'll be able to see what you're doing. So under the 2 loops, insert your hook and do a slip stitch in it also. So like I said, we're doing it round. So go ahead and complete yours all round. This is how it should look when done. To have a nice edges, you need to slip stitch round to make it look neat. So we're going to pull our yarn out, get a scissors and cut this part and pull the yarn out. So just pull it out this way. So we are going to hide the yarn. Insert your hook and grab the yarn out. So you have to insert your hook from inside and grab the yarn out. Then hide the yarns. So this is how I hide my own yarns, so it will look neat. But since I'm going to put interior, so I'll just hide it roughly. You will need a bag handle. So this is the handle I'll be using. So I'm going to attach my handle to the bag. This is how I'm going to attach it. So this is how it looks when done. You can see how beautiful the bag is. You can use it for any occasion. Very simple to carry. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video so you won't miss any of my tutorials.